What's up, guys? It's August 29th, 2024. And a big down move in the markets, so we're range bound. Yesterday was a bear bar closing at its midpoint. Today we sold off below that bear bar and reversed higher above that bear bar, and now we're selling off again. So range bound price action, buy low, sell high. A lot more sideways since August 22nd is when we got the bear bars, but we've been sideways since around the 16th, 16th, 17th. We have a gap up. Bar one, good for the bulls, bad for the bears. It's a range bar close. It's a range bar, but it has a bull body closing on its high. Trading right below yesterday's breakdown level, bar 15. Bar two, bulls that buy above bar one are trapped, and they're gonna have to buy more lower to get out break even. Bar three, we see the tail here, so bulls that bought here can buy more lower and they get out here. Bulls sell off while bears sell, and that creates enough pressure for another leg lower. Bar four, bull bar. So now we have more sideways price action than trending. There's a gap open, but there's no gaps between the bars. The gaps are closing. Bar four is a bear bar. So right now, if you buy the lows of bull bars and short the highs of bear, if you short bull bars, you're making money. If you're buying bear bars, you're making money. So the market's going range bound. 6, we start to break out. Bears that get short here are going to start to get trapped if they can't short higher. Bulls buy bar 7 for the breakout, and we start to go more sideways. It's range bound price action. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back, go more sideways. Bar 10 is an outside bar, so the sells off, reverses higher. Trapping bears at lows, trapping bulls at highs. Outside bars, I usually just wait a few bars to see what happens after because they're in ranges. We start to break out 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is a rally, no doubt, but it's a weak rally. It's going sideways. We're not breaking past many bars. Lots of overlap, big tails rather than a steady buying pressure. We just want to see steady bars. Something we haven't had a strong buy the close. We want these kind of bars that go on for several hours, just steady buying. Bars between 54 to 59. That's what we want to see, and then we just want to see it keep going and going and going. We don't see that here. Oh, where are we? Let me reset it. We see it is more climactic, more overlap. 17 bad follow through, 18 bear bar. Bears are not making money below bars. If you go short, you're pretty much trapped unless you can scalp out for a few ticks. 19, 20, 21, another bull legs, leg 1, pull back leg 2. More again, it's a lot of overlap. We're not breaking out past many bars, but it is a bull breakout. It's either long or wait. When we break out of a range, it resets the market cycle. So if this was a breakout resetting the market cycle, it's a weak breakout. So let's not forget that. It's a lot of two-side trading. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3, it starts to break out again. So let me draw that. Give me 2 seconds here. So leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2 for the bears, wedge bottom. We break out. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3, pull back. Leg 4. See this range right here? It starts to break out again. It's really weak, but even if we were going to count legs, leg 1, pull back. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3, pull back. Leg 4. So wedge top after 3 pushes higher. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. Excuse me, that last line was bad. So something like this. And I think it's okay to get out longs. I held a little too long thinking we were a small pullback trend. I thought we were going to go higher, and then I just reversed them. So we have multiple pushes up. Look at this breakout. So this is a swing. See, so there's one, right? And then let me So then here's the next one. How do I do this correctly? I'm trying to show you guys that there's more overlap than bars breaking out. And then here's the next swing, right? So we're not really breaking out past many bars. There's really no trend bars. Whereas, see if I was to draw a box here, the next swing you could say is right here. You see how there's like a little bit of a gap between the boxes. This can go down here. This is just a way to check out strength from breakouts. There's another swing here. See the swing here, swing here. So these are breakout bars. This is sloppy drawing. What I'm trying to show is that there's gaps within this trend. So this is what we study gaps. So I'll just draw the gaps. See the gaps? Are there's gaps staying open? There's no real gap staying open here. They're getting closed with tails pretty quick. So it's there's a lot of back and forth trading. Even you could say this whole range right here is this is a range right here. So we've kind of been in a range from the swing low of 23 to the swing high of 40. And we finally break out here. It's 59, 60. 60, 61, 62. Strong enough breakout through this box to reset the market cycle. Strong breakout by the bears. 64 is the first opposite bar. So then we start to channel lower. So leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, 69, right? So there's the market cycle from that perspective. And then we go more range bounds. And now we're sideways again. So here's another range. So here's an example of the boxes. If we were drawing boxes between ranges, see how the bears have a gap between the two boxes? There's no gap here on this side. This is what I'm looking at. So how strong was the bull trend? It was a bull leg in a range. There's a lot of back and forth selling. A little bit faster breakdown. I didn't expect it to be that fast for some reason. I don't know how that just went from we just started it to it just ending. Not too many gaps are open today. So if today was a strong bull trend day, we would have had gaps open, not this many bear bars, lots of overlap. Tomorrow's the last of the month, so it'll be interesting to see what we get. I'm gonna be trading small tomorrow because I'll be trading off my phone, so we'll see what happens there. Hope you guys are doing good. Keep studying. I appreciate all the support. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I will talk to you guys this weekend, if not Monday. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Goodbye.